All right, you made it to your last obstacle of the day. Great job working hard today, my friends. I need you to get this piece of paper that shows my flowers, a dry erase marker, and feel free to get some cubes if you need a little bit more support. But you do not need cubes to solve this problem. All right. I want you to look at my flowers. I have 10 beautiful flowers. Some are red, the rest are blue. I want you to write a number sentence that shows my flowers. I want you to take a picture on Seesaw of the paper that has my 10 flowers and your addition number sentence to show my blue flowers and my red flowers.